Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will explain how to remotely enforce a group policy update on a specific computer from among the client computers joined to the domain. Sometimes you may need to apply new group policy settings to a specific computer immediately, without waiting for the next automatic update cycle. This method is very important for domain administrators because it saves time and ensures that updates take effect immediately across the network. And to ensure a successful update process, you must download the PsExec tool. This tool allows you to run commands remotely on another computer. It is also safe, free, and officially released by Microsoft. Open the official Microsoft Sysinternals website. It will likely appear first in a Google search. From this page, download the PsExec toolkit. Now, navigate to your Downloads folder and extract the downloaded file. You'll see several files inside, including PsExec.exe and PsExec64.exe. These are the main tools that allow you to execute commands on remote systems. Run PsExec64.exe once, and when the license agreement appears, click Agree. This will register the tool for future use on your system. To ensure PsExec runs, copy both the PsExec and PsExec64 files and paste them into the System32 folder. This allows you to run the PsExec command directly from any command prompt window without specifying the full path. Next, open a command prompt window as an administrator so you can gain the necessary privileges to run commands on remote systems. To force a group policy update on a remote computer, run the command shown on the screen, replacing PCNAME with the name of the remote computer you want to update. This command connects to the specified computer and immediately forces a group policy update for both the user and the computer. Of course, the client computer that you are updating must be online. If the update is complete, you will see Computer Policy Update has completed successfully and User Policy Update has completed successfully with error code 0. This means that the Group Policy Update was completed remotely and successfully. This way, you can remotely force a Group Policy Update on any computer in your domain using PsExec. It's a quick and efficient method that enables administrators to ensure all new policies are applied immediately without having to manually visit each computer. I'll also make a video on how to force a group policy update for all client computers at once. If you liked this video, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful technical lessons. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.